People say you have to have a lot of passion for what you're doing, and it's totally true. And the reason is because it's so hard that if you don't, any rational person would give up.
My name is Phil Martinen, and my company name is Duluth Dent Repair. At Duluth Dent Repair, we've been practicing the art of dent removal with passion. Our service is super convenient, offering either mobile or in-shop service. Using specialized tools, we gain backside access to the damage and will remove your dent gently without harming the finish. It is really remarkable how we are able to remove dents without the need for repainting. To schedule a repair, you can reach us at 218-206-5638 or visit our website at dentrepair.duluth.com.